In this video, we're going to be taking a little look to see how much money you could potentially be making with Amazon KDP print and selling low content books. All that's coming right up in today's video. What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how much money you could potentially be making selling low content books. Now if you're new to the channel, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So let's get into this and let me show you how much money you could be making. So let's head over to Amazon. So this is the best sellers list in books. This is the top 100. Now if we scroll down to here, where is it? Just here, not there. Just here. So this is a low content book. So what do I mean by low content? Well, I mean books like journals, notebooks, sketchbooks, books that you don't have to write. So if we just open this up in a new tab, or just open it up so we can take a little look, you can see what I mean by these low content books. As you can see, not much in the book at all. That is it. Now, why am I showing you this book? Well, this is a #1 bestseller. Now, if we go back over to the top 100 bestsellers list in books, we can see that it's at 86. So I've pulled up this calculator. I'm going to show you how much money this person's making with that one book. So, what category? What number? 86. So let's put that in there. 86. Go to book. Now we're going to calculate the sales. So this person is selling this book at least 706 times a day. Now this isn't spot on, this is just an average, so keep that in mind. But imagine selling over 700 books a day just with one book, and you could have thousands of books. Now let's pull up the calculator a minute. So they're actually selling this for $6 something, $6.21. That would roughly be, let's round it off and say $1.50 royalty. So $1.50 profit for every book they sell. Now let's times that by 706 equals, they're making probably about $1,000 a day with this one low content book. How crazy is that? Just with one book. Now, are you personally going to be able to make a low content book and get it in the best sellers list? I don't know. I don't know if I can. I'm still going to pump out as many books as I can, good quality, and if I did, that would be amazing. But you don't need to have it in the best sellers list to make decent money. So if we go back over to here, let's just take that down for a minute. Let's go to different category. So let's scroll down. Let's take this one. And let's just see where it is ranked. So let's scroll down. So this is ranked 28,000 in the bookstore. So let's take that. Go back over to the calculator. Let's put in the BSR that we just copied. So paste that. Take that a little bit out and calculate sales. So with this book, they're making 10 sales a day. So how much are they selling it for? Scroll up. $6.99. Again, let's round it off to $1.50. I think it's more about $1.90, but anyway, so $1.50 times 10 sales equals $15. Now, I know that doesn't sound much, but imagine having 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 books, all making $15 a day. That shit soon adds up and you can make some real decent money. That's why you don't need to have a bestsellers book. Now, let's just say you have 100, 200 books and you're making 10 sales a day throughout all of your books and you're making $15 every day. Now, if we times that by 30, that's actually an extra $450 a month. Now, I'm sure that would help most of you people out. Heck, it would help me out as well. An extra $450 just from selling 10 books a day. Now, imagine you have 5 different books. Say you've got a few hundred books, but 5 books are making 10 sales a day. So you're selling 50 books. So $1, let's round it off again, $1.50 times 50 equals $75. Now, if we times that by 30, now that alone would be an extra $2,250 a month. And this is actually pretty reasonable and pretty easy to accomplish. And don't forget, this is lowballing it at $1.50 profit or a royalty. So you can actually sell your books for $8.99, $9.99, $11.99, and then you can start making $3 royalties on each book that you sell. So this is really achievable. Now, also, this is completely passive, because once you've created your books and you've got them on Amazon, they're on Amazon forever. So people can find your books and buy them for years to come. Now, I hope this is opening your eyes to self-publishing low-content books. I think this is a real great business model. Literally anybody can do this because you don't need much experience at all. Now, I hope you consider actually doing this and start taking action. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.